Ah, look, here comes the pretty girl. The big raw turnip. Any chance you're gonna do a wee bit of work today? Would you not go in and wash yourself? Yeah, whatever. I can smell you from here. Look, everybody knows to get anywhere in life, you have to be a bit of a workhorse. Like Bernadette here. You can't be afraid of rolling up the sleeves and getting the hands dirty. No. To be successful, you just have to look pretty and carry yourself well. It's all about image. Isn't that right, Bonnie? That princess would cry at the sight of hard work. And I'm not just talking about the tractor. Let me tell you a little bit about Bonnie the 𝗪𝗏₼X. So she has had a complete engine overhaul from front to back, and she is in absolutely immaculate condition. It's safe to say this little tractor is a real head turner. Look, there's no point turning heads if you can't turn a sod. This wee 135 comes with a brand new Fleming link box. It's just had the wheels resprayed, brand new back tyres, it's just been fitted with a cab, brand new exhaust, and it's been fully serviced. So this wee workhorse is ready to do all the jobs. There's definitely a horse standing there. And I'm not talking about the tractor either. Luckily for you guys, you don't have to choose. For only $9.97, you can get the best of both worlds. You can have the show pony to admire, while the reliable workhorse gets the job done. 2 tractors, 1 perfect pairing. LuckyDayCompetitions.com